If you're thinking of starting a mobile or car detailing business, one question you may be asking yourself is whether or not you should form an LLC. The cost to start an auto detailing business can vary widely, but it typically ranges from $2,000 to $50,000 depending on factors such as location, equipment, and marketing expenses. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the ups and downs of creating an LLC for your mobile detailing business. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC is to choose a name for your business. You'll want to make sure the name is available in your state and isn't too similar to any existing businesses. You can check availability and reserve your chosen name by contacting your state's Secretary of State office. When choosing a name, make sure it's easy to remember, easy to spell, and reflects what your business does. You may also want to check if the domain name is available for your business website. Step 2. Choose a state to register your LLC. Once you have a name, register your LLC with the state in which you will operate. In specific, business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada can be a good place to start. You can register your LLC in these states easily even if you live in another country. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. The next step is to file Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This document includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and registered agent, the person or company that receives legal documents on behalf of the LLC. Some states allow you to file the Articles of Organization online, while others require paper filings. You'll also need to pay a filing fee, which varies by state. Step 4. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. The types of permits and licenses you need may vary depending on your business's location. Typically, you will need an auto detailing license and a business license. You may also need to comply with other regulations, such as building, environmental, and zoning codes. Very few states directly regulate car detailing businesses, however, since your business will be dealing with wastewater, your city may require environmental clearances before you begin operation. Check with your local government to ensure you get all the necessary licenses and permits before starting your business. By obtaining all the necessary licenses and permits, you can operate your business legally, protect yourself from liability, and develop credibility as a serious business entity. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. While it's not required by law, it's a good idea to have one in place to help prevent disputes and ensure everyone is on the same page. Your operating agreement should include the names and roles of all LLC members, how profits and losses will be distributed, how decisions will be made, and any other important details about the operation of your business. Step 6. Obtain insurance coverage. Having the appropriate insurance policy is crucial for financial protection and peace of mind if something goes wrong. This type of insurance policy should include liability coverage for third-party property damage or personal injury that may occur while providing auto care services. It should also cover damage to your property, including car care equipment and vehicles you use for your business. The appropriate insurance policy will also ensure that you are legally protected in the event of any lawsuits or litigation. Step 7. Open a business bank account. It's important to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. To do this, you'll need to open a business bank account. Most banks offer business accounts specifically designed for LLCs. You'll need to provide your Articles of Organization, your operating agreement, and your EIN, Employer Identification Number, to open an account. Step 8. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website or by mail or fax using Form SS-04. Step 9. File annual reports and pay taxes. LLCs are not taxed as a separate entity from their owners, but they do need to file an annual report and pay taxes. The exact requirements vary by state, so check with your state's Secretary of State office to find out what's required. You'll also need to file federal taxes for your LLC. This may include filing a Form 1065 partnership return, a Form 1120 S corporation return, or a Schedule C if you are a single-member LLC. You may also need to file state and local taxes, depending on your location. Step 10. Start your business operations. Once you've completed all the legal and administrative tasks, it's time to start your car or mobile detailing business operations. This may include purchasing equipment and supplies, setting up a workspace, hiring employees, if necessary, and marketing your services to potential customers. Consider creating a website, social media pages, and online business listings to help promote your business and make it easier for potential customers to find you. Step 11. Maintain your LLC. To keep your LLC in good standing, you'll need to maintain it by fulfilling any ongoing legal requirements, such as filing annual reports and paying taxes. You should also keep accurate records of your business finances, including income, expenses, and receipts. Consider hiring an accountant or bookkeeper to help you stay on top of your financial record keeping and make sure you're meeting all tax and reporting requirements. In conclusion, starting an LLC for your car or mobile detailing business can provide many benefits, including protecting your personal assets, establishing credibility with customers, and enjoying tax benefits. By following these 11 steps, you can ensure that your LLC is set up correctly and that you're in compliance with all necessary legal and administrative requirements. You can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC if you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, They might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.